Nagina, the epicenter of political battle in the western Uttar Pradesh. In the heart of western Uttar Pradesh, the Nagina Lok Sabha constituency has become the stage for a fierce political showdown and could witness one of the most fiercely contested electoral battles in the upcoming general elections. It boasts a significant scheduled caste and Muslim population, shaping the electoral dynamics of the region with contenders from the Dalit political sphere jostling for leadership roles. Bahujan Samaj Party National Coordinator Akash Anand has launched his party's campaign, rallying supporters against Azad Samaj Party chief Chandrasekhar Azad Ravan, who is contesting in the same constituency.
ये आदमी अपने आप को मसीहा बताता है। ये आदमी कहता है कि मैं सड़क पे उतरूंगा अपने समाज के लिए, आंदोलन करता है, झगड़ता है, लड़ता है, हमारे युवा साथियों को लेके पहुंच जाता है। फिर क्या होता है? हमारे युवा साथियों पे मुकदमे होते हैं और जैसे ही मुकदमे होते हैं वे बेचारे ढूंढते फिरते हैं कि भाई साहब हमें बचाओ। वो आदमी फिर यहाँ से छोड़ के दूसरी जगह भाग जाता है, वहां पे आंदोलन करता है।
In western Uttar Pradesh, SP chief Akhilesh Yadav's strategic moves are turning heads. By not backing Chandrasekhar Ravan, he aims to weaken BSP's hold. Recognizing Ravan's appeal to Dalit Muslim voters, Akhilesh fields his own Dalit candidates to bolster his own influence. Understanding the underlying message behind Akhilesh's actions, BSP has redoubled their efforts, leaving no stone unturned in their quest to retain their political stronghold. In the 2019 general elections, Girish Chandra, the BSP candidate backed by the alliance of SP and BSP, secured a resounding victory, garnering an impressive 5,68,378 votes. Dr. Yashwant Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party trailed behind with 4,01,546 votes, highlighting the enduring influence of the BSP-SP alliance and the potency of their electoral strategy. In the recent Vidhan Sabha elections of 2022, Om Kumar, a three-time MLA from the same area, contested for BJP and won again despite tough competition. Now Akhilesh Yadav has fielded Manoj Kumar, a former judge on the SP ticket, to challenge BJP. Manoj Kumar has been working among people in the Nagina constituency for a long time. Jayant Chaudhary, the president of the National Lok Dal, was the biggest supporter of Chandrasekhar, but due to Jayant's alliance with the BJP, Chandrasekhar's equations got messed up. Now, the BJP government has tried to send a positive message to the Jatav community by providing Y+ security to Chandrasekhar.
जो कमजोर होते हैं वो किस्मत का रोना रोते हैं, जिनको उगना होता है वो पत्थर का सीना चीर कर भी उगते हैं। मैं बीज हूँ, तो मुझे रोकने के लिए बहुत सारे प्रयास किए जा सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे उगने से रोका नहीं जा सकता। पूरे भारत में मैं अकेला ऐसा व्यक्ति हूँ जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी से सीना ठोक के लड़ता है।
As alliances shuffle and tactics attack, Nagina stands at a crossroads. Ravan's presence on the ballot threatens to upend the political status quo in western Uttar Pradesh, intensifying the race to secure the loyalty of the region's significant 21% Dalit demographic.